How do I add Google Analytics to my WordPress website? Well, let me show you how. In front of me we have the PremiumPress auction theme, and I want to show you how to add your Google Analytics to this website so that you can track your visitors and your conversions, etc. The first thing you need to do is log into the admin area. We click on PremiumPress, click on Settings, and we're looking for this section called Google Analytics. Now, the PremiumPress themes support the old UA and the new V4 Analytics options, so you can use both of these options on your website. To get the API key that you need to enter, simply click on this link and get your key here, and this will take you straight to the Google Analytics website. From this page, you can access your current website, or you can create a new one. Simply click on Admin and click on Create New. Once you've created a website, simply click on the property settings, and where it says tracking ID, we simply copy and we go back to our website and we paste this into the admin section. Again, if you're using the V4, simply select the V4 option and enter your key here. And that's it. Quick and easy. That's how you add Google Analytics to your PremiumPress WordPress theme. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, give a quick like and I'll make more content just like this. Bye for now.